Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. It just doesn't feel like this time of year until you've got those twinkly lights up and the smell of cinnamon and pine filling the air, does it? And that's exactly what we're here to do today. If you're anything like me, you're already itching to get a head start on your Christmas decorating. Well, you came to the right place because we've got a whole sleigh load of inspiration headed your way. We're talking about the hottest Christmas decoration trends for 2025. Think vintage charm, natural elements, and even a little bit of tech magic. And don't you worry, we'll break down each trend with easy DIY ideas that'll have your home feeling merry and bright in no time. So grab that mug of hot cocoa, get comfy, and let's get decorating. There's just something so heartwarming about vintage Christmas decorations, isn't there? They take you right back to childhood with memories of twinkling lights on the tree, the crinkle of wrapping paper, and the anticipation of Christmas morning. This year, we're seeing a huge resurgence of those nostalgic decorations, and I, for one, am here for it. Think colourful glass ornaments, maybe even some with those little imperfections that make them truly unique. Remember those bubble lights our grandparents always had on their trees? Those are back in a big way, and they add such a fun, retro vibe. One of my favourite ways to bring in that vintage charm is with old-fashioned Christmas cards. Frame a few and display them on a mantle or bookshelf, or string them together with twine and some evergreen sprigs for a festive garland. And don't forget about those classic Christmas figurines. Group them together on a side table, or use them as charming accents on your mantle or bookshelf. Now, if you're looking for a way to bring the beauty of the outdoors in, this next trend is for you. Sustainable and natural Christmas decorations are more popular than ever, and it's easy to see why. They add such a cozy, rustic feel to your home, and they're good for the planet too. One of the easiest ways to embrace this trend is by bringing in natural elements like pine cones, evergreen branches, and berries. You can find these on a nature walk or even in your own backyard. Arrange them in vases, bowls, or baskets for a simple, elegant centerpiece. Another fun idea is to create your own DIY ornaments using natural materials. Slice dried oranges and apples, thread them with twine, and hang them on your tree for a rustic, fragrant touch. Don't forget about the power of simple brown paper. Wrap your gifts in it this year and tie them with twine and sprigs of rosemary or cinnamon sticks. And here's a little tip. Instead of buying a fresh Christmas tree each year, consider a potted tree that you can plant in your yard after the holidays. Okay, now let's talk tech. For those of you who love to have the coolest gadgets, you're going to love this next trend. High-tech Christmas lights have come a long way, and they can add a truly magical touch to your decorations. Imagine LED lights that change color and patterns with the tap of an app on your phone. You can create a dazzling light show synchronized to your favorite Christmas music. These new LED lights are also incredibly energy efficient, which means you can enjoy your festive display without worrying about a sky-high electricity bill. Plus, they last much longer than traditional incandescent bulbs, so you won't have to replace them as often. You can find high-tech lights in all shapes and sizes, from classic string lights to icicle lights and even laser projectors that cast festive patterns on your home. One of my favorite ways to use high-tech lights is to create a starry night effect on my ceiling. Just drape the lights across the ceiling in a random pattern, securing them with clear thumbtacks. And here's a fun idea for the kids. Look for interactive Christmas lights that respond to sound or movement. They'll love seeing the lights dance and change color as they sing along to their favorite carols. Now, I know not everyone loves a lot of glitz and glam during the holidays. If you prefer a more understated and elegant look, then minimalist Christmas decor might be just your style. This trend is all about clean lines, neutral colors, and a focus on simplicity. Think of a beautifully decorated Christmas tree, adorned with only white lights and a handful of carefully chosen ornaments in a neutral color palette, or a mantle adorned with a simple garland of evergreen branches and a few white candles. The beauty of minimalist decorating is that it allows the natural beauty of your home to shine through. Instead of overwhelming your space with decorations, choose a few key pieces that make a statement. Remember, minimalist decorating isn't about having less, it's about being intentional with what you choose to display. For those who love sparkle and shine, this trend is for you. Luxe metallics add elegance and sophistication. Think shimmering gold, warm copper and sleek silver. Use them in unexpected ways for a glamorous holiday feel. Metallic ornaments, shimmering table runners, and gift wrap. Add throw pillows and blankets with metallic accents. Pair metallics with warm lighting for a magical ambience. Mix different metallics for an eclectic look. Try a silver vase with gold ornaments or a copper tray with silver candlesticks. DIY metallic painted pine cones, acorns, or branches for a touch of glam. Well, there you have it! 5 of the hottest Christmas decorating trends for 2025, each with its own unique charm and personality. Whether you fell head over heels for that nostalgic vintage vibe, want to keep it natural and sustainable, or are ready to go full-on glam with metallics, I hope you found a trend or two that speaks to your heart. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun with it and let your own personal style shine through. Don't be afraid to get creative, mix and match different ideas, and make your Christmas decorations uniquely yours. From all of us here at Crafty Corner Pro Max, we wish you a very Merry Christmas filled with warmth, joy, and lots of crafting. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future crafty adventures. See you next time.